Alright. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Invest 97L. So right now, this is our 10:30 slash 10 o'clock update. Before we get started in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And if you choose to subscribe, make sure you like this video too, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, like I said just now. So right now, as you guys can see, we're looking at Invest 97L. So right now we're not seeing too much of a rotation. Now we do see the strongest peak of the storm right now. Not like earlier, we were seeing a lot of rotation. Still seeing some type of rotation, but not as much as we were earlier. So that's because we're having right of the north of it, east of it, we're having some African dry air coming in and blowing into it, and that's going to affect it a tad bit. And that's why I think this storm might not become a hurricane in the potential week or two that we're going to be seeing landfall. So now we officially, with the 6 o'clock update of the GFS, we officially have a cone out. As you guys can see, we are going to see it affecting parts of the islands around 2 p.m. Friday. So this is going to be a tropical storm watch. Our tropical storm watches as right now from all the way up into the first part of these islands are going to be on their watch. And as this progresses to, we're talking about this is around 8 p.m. Wednesday, 2 p.m. Thursday. So it's going to be a fast moving storm. And then we're talking about Monday, 2 p.m. Monday, we're going to see it maybe making its way into the Gulf of Mexico. Maybe some landfall around to the Panhandle. Right now, either way, our possibilities for landfall is anyway. The GFS, the European, is not really agreeing right now. Landfall could be in the Atlantic. Landfall could be in the Panhandle and the Gulf of Mexico, so we don't know where this storm is going to be going. So if we close all of our stuff right here, and then as you guys can see, we're going to look at our GFS ensembles. So as you guys can see, if we look right here, we're going to be seeing more of anticipation in the next 40 hours. These and how you want to see how many hours we're out right here is right here. This is 998, still a tropical storm, not strong. And then we're talking about once it makes its way 72 hours away from now, or 72 hours away from when it was 6 o'clock, we're going to be seeing it going to strengthen a little bit. And then around the hour 96 after crossing those mountains, we're expecting it to dissipate and maybe strengthening in the front of the Carolinas. Now we can't go off this. We can't see what this is saying right now because this is still another few days out. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. So I just want to take a look at the GFS real fast. Let's just look at our intensity guide. As you guys can see right here, a lot of them are still sticking with tropical storm and a Cat 1 maybe. I'm leaning towards a tropical storm with the storm, just because if we do choose this could be our busy season. If it is, it could be plan A, or A, it could be a busy season, or B, it could be like the 2014 season where we only seen one major hurricane in the July and never seen a storm after that. Really, really quiet. So if we look right here, go down here, and we're going to be looking at the forecast models of the GFS. And as you guys can see right here, let's go to switch our regions, go to the African coast. Let's go see down here. Wrong one. All right, so we're gonna go down here, switch it again. Here we go, North Atlantic, and as you guys can see, there's our storm 998. The GFS is showing it very strong at 986, and maybe making some landfall, cutting across Florida, going into the Atlantic, dissipating, and we wait, and then maybe going top of the Chesapeake Bay area, North Carolina, Virginia Beach area. We could see some type of thing like that. Now we go to our European, right here. The European is more of a no. It's gonna. So here's our storm. You guys can look right here. this is our storm right here, right on top of the Bahamas, and it's gonna say that it might be caught by this front that's coming off the United States, and then we have our high that's built up into here right now. During this time, you guys can see that our high is going to be built up into here. This is our Bermuda high, which is not too strong. It's more east than usual, so this is going to probably come apart. Like I said, we have to see with tomorrow morning's run around the 12 a.m. later on tonight, while everyone's sleeping. Like I said, we're going to have to watch that to see if it agrees, because now the Europeans since the last run, which was yesterday's morning's run, or actually, yeah, yesterday morning's run, yesterday's 12 a.m., you can see we have some type of indication that we might be agreeing with the GFS. I don't know. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. So we're actually going to take a few looks of everything. So this is our 803. This is update 803. Just a little over 2 hours ago. It's 9:45 right now. You guys can see right north of it, we actually are the northwest of it. We're seeing some type of wind shear, but that's not really going to affect it. Our main concern with this storm is going to be our African dust that might be affecting it. So here's our satellite imagery. As you guys see, this is our 90 Invest 97. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on that. Like I said, that's our storm to watch. The one in front of it, Invest 95. That's not gonna be more of a concern than anything else. It's more of a storm we're not worried about. So here's our African dust. As you guys can see, it is obliterated in African dust, along with Invest 95. Our storm is currently right here. As you guys can see, I'll mark it for you guys. Our storm is right in here right now, as you guys see. Just a little bit strong dust on the north of it. So as you guys can look, yeah, it's not too much of a bad dust, but still, that's why our storms cannot form during this time of year. We normally don't start seeing our major hurricanes until around August 1st. So, like I said, we're going to take a look at this. Our Bermuda high, not too strong as right now. This is our then we have our tropical waves over here, so not really strong. I forgot to take a look at this at the first video, first part of the video. I'm going to be looking at, I did do this the earlier last run, but we're going to see what it says. This is our potential tropical cyclone 5. It has 80% chance of forming in the next 48 hours, so 10% chance up in the next 5 days, 90% chance, which is another 10% up since the last updation of my video. So we go to our temp. This is in Celsius. Or yes, wait, wrong one. We go back down to here. Let's look for our temperature one. Sorry if there's any noise in the background. Here we go. This is our Celsius temperature right here, as you guys can see, 27 Celsius. So you guys can see that we have our jet stream right here. That's along with 27, but really the highest we see is in the Bahamas and around the Caribbean Sea, and then around the Bahamas, which is 29 Celsius. And as we make our way up to the Carolina, Virginia area, we're talking about a good 23, yeah, around 23, 25 Celsius. So, like I said, it's a little too cool water to see it, and I'm going to put it in actual temperatures. You guys just want to see it in Fahrenheit, because Celsius can be a hard thing to track down at Fahrenheit. So we're just gonna put in Fahrenheit for you guys real fast. So you guys, 81. It's probably good, but hurricanes would rather take a track of warmer water, like 83 degrees than 81. I know it's a few temperature or Fahrenheit few difference than like 3 degrees difference, but still hurricanes do take a look at that. For a hurricane to form, it needs warm water, a good atmosphere, it needs some stuff. So here's our heat content, our ocean heat content. So you guys can see that the strongest is right now is going towards into the Caribbean Sea right now, and it may be right here. So that's gonna be the end of the video today, guys. This is gonna be our last video today. Posting more videos tomorrow. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to like this video. Until next time, and don't forget to put your post notification on.